Electrical control panels power nearly every piece of equipment in every industry. That's a tall order, which means the way shops identify terminal blocks and other components within those panels is key. With component marking such an intricate process, the way you work makes a big difference. It's all about efficiency, and shops that use printers, materials, and software from many different manufacturers are just missing out. Get the power of one with one easy-to-use package. With the BradyJet J1000 industrial printer, Brady Workstation software, and Brady materials, you can max out your efficiency and seamlessly integrate your workflow. Connect jobs with imported data. Create, edit, and design tags. Print on a wide range of terminal block and component tags that are compatible with more than 1,400 terminal block makes and models. Forget the waste. J1000 uses new inkjet technology, so ink sets within seconds of printing without UV light or even heat lamps, which can warp tags. The bonus? You can reuse those partial tags you used to have to toss, so you're saving on materials. Multiple printing solutions, software that's difficult to use, and excessive material waste are now things of the past. Lower your costs, get higher reliability, get your work done in fewer steps. The BradyJet J1000 complete solution makes your marking process so simple, it's second nature.